Yeah, we have at least two, maybe three, I think three whales here.
Wow. Yep.
You can really see those. There's a picture. I was gonna say, you can really see those pectoral fins.
Oh. You can't get enough of that.
I was just talking not into the microphone. Check out that pectoral fin. So this is a whale that, pretty sure this is a whale named Flyer.